just drop over to school. You get a fire truck. You just heard the fire trucks, right? You hear a little part of it. They turn on the sirens, and they stopped when I started to record. Hilarious. Hilarious. Uh-oh. Hearing them again. Alright, 8 o'clock in the morning. I tell you. Anyway. See them up there going across? Yeah. So, you know, a lot of stuff is being deleted off of the internet, particularly the CIA document, or maybe they changed the search criteria to make them harder to find. Okay? But I've noticed that. And this is what happens when they want to hide the truth. You know, they let too much of this information out, and they're regretting it. Because people like me and others who have been targeted with these weapons have found documentation to support what we say is happening to us. And what do? They go on the defense, hiding. You know, talking about now the American diplomats that is mass psychosis, not mass psychosis, but psychological illness. Same shit they do to TI. So
they put a whole OB on.
That's what happens.
I know, Brittany, but it's a whole OB.
No, you see, I was like, walk past her, how loud she got, right? That's, you know, see, that's how open she is. I mean, loud she is. Yep. So see, what they do when they can no longer fool a lot of people, they'll try to threaten you, right? Because people start listening to you because they know they're speaking the truth. Like I said, anything that I say, I can back it up with documentation. Okay? And they're the ones that's trying to hide things. Alright? Because once they put the what is it? National security stamp on it, forget it. Forget it. Alright, once they put the national security stamps on it, forget it. There you look at that phone. There you go. So, all of this, right? Like I said, early in the morning, you hear the fire truck. You saw the fire truck. All right. What? Are you gonna? Yep. You're going the wrong way. Look at that. And it's intentional. It's intentional. You work at the post office. I'll tell you why. Yep. Yep. You know, but still, you know. He's turning around. Okay, he's turning around. Well, I guess let's see. Yep. Anyway. So yeah, they're trying to hide stuff by taking stuff off the internet. Certain websites are no longer available. Okay. And there have been some news reporters who have been trying to find out what's going on. You know? And they're being met with a lot of secrecy. And that's to tell you how they're trying to hide shit. Okay? And it's funny because They try to label STIs as the bad guys and lies and all this other stuff, but the reality is they're the liars. That's why they hide shit under secrecy. They put the national security label on them so no one can look at them, right? Many people don't think the United States is a repressive regime. Well, I got news for you. It is. And the use of these technologies for mind control, using radio wave and microwave frequency, okay? As the Russian says, and I'll keep saying it, the governments in the West that have these weapons and these technologies are able to suppress and oppress the society, the people in society, and to make them docile, to make them happy and content in their oppression. All right? Facts.